Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and today I'm going to be making tsunamis and sea skylines. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch till the end. Okay, so now let's get right into it. This is not necessarily a how-to video. It's like it's kind of like a how-to. You can watch as a how-to. It is a how-to. And so you block it up like this. Block it up enough to where this collects. There. So start collecting, and it might spill onto your roads, but that's not the issue. Anyway, meanwhile, let's just play the game for a bit while it fills up. So I have this little island city type thing. I'm gonna close off access before the tsunami. Yeah, you had me. They cannot leave here in case of the tsunami. They have everything they need here. But they're just gonna be alone. Because tsunami's probably gonna damage the whole city. Except them. Okay, so it's going well. Except it's not going quite as well as I wanted it to. It's gonna have a complete blocking. Like it can't go down anywhere. So that road's gonna be destroyed. Now it's gonna go out, so it's basically impossible. As you can see, it's doing its flooding job. And flooding, since it's gonna flood, this little person needs some power. They're being affected by this, aren't they? I don't think it's funny. It kinda is funny though. I'm telling myself isn't funny though. Since it is secretly hilarious. Anyway, as you can see, this person has no power. You have power now. You got the power. You do have the power. Anyway, okay, now that's flooding. It's still going down that bit. This is very minuscule compared to that whole bit that isn't. I'll cut off too. I'm just cutting all of this off. Like it's all being cut off. Like this person won't have to deal with tsunamis. This poor little person. This poor little like citizen says deal with tsunamis. No one lives here. Oh great, no one lives there. Someone is going to live there, not limb there. Someone's gonna put their limb there. Oh god. And the best case scenario, set down canals too. So they'll flood out technically. So like everything's going well, you're following it all. Now it's about time to release. So if you have one eye you want, keep. since this might backfire and cause a ripple. So we just need to get ready to flood everything. So just like do this. I don't know what to call it. And if it's any place you want to keep, don't rise it around that area. Just keep that area secluded. That's what I'm doing with the bridges. So everyone doesn't come flooding that area. I should probably reopen it. I am reopening it. And everyone who lives here is probably gonna go crazy. Go crazy! Okay, so now we have to release it all. So you raise all this too to make everything go crazy. Then you just lighten the load and allow it to go free. And it's like a tsunami wall. As you can see, a tsunami has been made. See? And before it gets to the bottom, rise it to really get going. See how this is all sinking? Like tsunami. So let's make a road here, since it's totally not just temporary. And I'll put some homes here for the most destruction. So it can all suck up that. And see how this is flooding? I'll break this whole canal. It will cause it to flood too. This is mass destruction. In my case, there's like nothing in it, so. But see, perfect tsunami. Made, done, boom. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. Bye!